Over here! I know I heard someone over there. I could really use a hand. Just follow the sound of my voice. You'll find me soon enough. Marco Polo. Really? Ugh. Fine. Marco. 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 Down here. Hey, calm down, easy. Please just stop screaming. Yes, I am a talking head. Now come on, deep breaths. There you go, come on, keep it up. Okay, better? A little. Alright, that'll do. Listen, I could really use your help. Alright, well, first things first, I'm a Dullahan. Yeah, a Dullahan. A type of fae that exists without a head. Or rather, in my case, a head detached from its body. Yeah, long story short, I kind of bumped my head trying to make it out through this forest. And my body just kept going. Without me. So yeah, that's my story. Yours? Ah, yeah, I guess that makes sense. Although, word of advice. Maybe traversing through a spooky forest late at night may not be the best idea for a shortcut. Especially if it's foggy. Me? Pfft. I've been through these woods many times. I know my way around. The only problem I had tonight is the fact that it is foggy. Other than that, I pretty much have a good sense of direction. Unlike my body. Tell you what, you kind of look like you really don't want to be here right now. Right? Right. So, if you can help me get reconnected to my body, I will return the favor by showing you the way out. Deal? Oh, come on, buddy. I am literally just a talking head. Worst I could do is bite you. I ain't that type of Dullahan. Not unless you make me. Thanks. You're a lifesaver. Alright, just pick me up the same way you would a pumpkin. Yeah, just like that. You got a good enough grip? Alright, let's go then. Man, this fog is so dense. Even Superman would have trouble seeing through it. Yeah, I know about Superman. DC fan. And no, I'm not out of the loop as you might think. By the way, have you seen it yet? The new movie trailer for... Oh, what was it again? Unjust? No, it was in something. Yeah, that's... Whoa! Hey, careful! You could have dropped me. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll keep my voice down. So, you got a favorite DC character? Oh, cool. Mine is... Hey, what was that? Well, why don't we just go check it out? No, I'm not crazy. That could be my body over there. What do you mean it's probably not worth it? Hey, watch out, you're about to... Oof! Trip. You okay over there? You think so? Well, I guess that'll work. Listen, and listen to me very, very closely. There's this one little thing I might have forgotten to mention. Well, there's a strange rumor going around of a bloodthirsty entity that may or may not be roaming around these woods late at night. Hey, shush, calm down. Shh. I said calm down. Look, I know that sounds bad, but, hear me out. We can still do this. Yes, we can. Look, my poor and hopefully unmangled body is still running around here somewhere, having no idea on where to find me. And I don't have any idea on how to find it on my own. But I do have an idea on how to get you out of here alive and well. Hey, don't say that. There still and always will be a chance. Now come on, I need you to work with me. You can do this. I know you can. I know you're scared, but the fear isn't going to help us here. Just slow us down. Now come on, repeat after me. I am brave. I am very brave. Come on, say it with some confidence. I am brave. I am very brave. I am brave. I am very brave. That's the ticket. And now, we may have caught its attention. Quick, pick me up. Ah, ow, jeez, not so rough. Do you see anything? Nothing? Nothing at all? Hey, I think I could see a shadow moving over there. And if I be a betting head, that's probably my body. Well, there's only one way to find out. Watch out! You almost did what I did and knocked your head on that tree branch over there. Heads up. Really? No, I'm not offended. I find it actually kind of funny. I'm a sucker for cheesy puns and bad dad jokes. Ooh, I got one. Why did the ghost go to the bar? For the booze. Pretty good, huh? Cool. Let me have it. Why? Ha! A total hack. I get it. That was funny. Okay. Here's another one. Why did the vampire refuse to attack Taylor Swift? Because she had bad blood. Yeah, I'm not good with the vampire jokes. They usually tend to suck. Nah? See what I did there? Oh, come on. I see you smiling over there. You know that it was, you heard that too, right? Oh, sugar honey iced tea, over there! There's a shed. Let's head over there. All right, put me down and lock the door. Okay. Deep breaths. I think we're safe. Or not. Well, I guess this is it. Whatever happens, I just want you to know that... What? No! I was just gonna say you probably shouldn't be a package handler with how clumsy you are. No! What are you doing? Huh? Hang on. Finally. Of course I licked your hand. You are practically suffocating me. Anyways, look, it's my body. Well, are you going to hand me over or what? Oh, hey, body, you can drop that axe now. There you go. Okay, now pass me over. That's it. Come to Papa. That's so much better. Thanks. It feels so good to be back on my own body. Oh yeah, I did promise you that, didn't I? Well, I guess I should keep my promise. Although there is this one other teeny tiny thing I should mention. About that bloodthirsty entity? Well, there is some truth to those rumors after all. Am I right, fellas? Yeah, my previous victim's right behind you. You see, I have a thing for collecting heads. Woo! Nailed it! Get some every time! Nice work, everyone. You can put your heads back on now. Jack, you know the drill by now. Take the cash and drop the poor lad off somewhere where they can get home safely. No, Diana, we are not letting them stay here again. Because you basically try and sleep with anything that moves. I'm just saying. All right, everyone. Chop, chop. The faster we can get this done, the better. And hey, thanks again for all of your help. The fog was a really nice touch. All right. I'm going to go take an aspirin and go lie down. I've got an awful headache from that little escapade.